How to fix CapCut couldn't load, try again later issue. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to fix CapCut could not load, try again later issues. So if you're having issue with your CapCut account or that you're unable to load your a file or folder, then what you need to do is, in order to fix it, you just have to go ahead and log into your account first of all. And when you're logged in, it's gonna take you to this field where you have to go ahead and press the gear icon from the top right inside corner. Sometimes the issue might be from a minor bug, so you just have to go ahead and click on clear cache as well as data. When you actually do this, you could also go ahead and locate other information from this page. This particular method isn't helping or working out, then you could also try clearing your cache as well as data. So for that, you just have to go ahead and long press on your CapCut application and then go to app info page. Right on this page, you just have to go and press on storage and cache and make sure to clear cache as well as data. And next, moving on, you can go to the permission section where you could go ahead and enable some sort of permission. That might also be another reason why you're unable to proceed on. And if nothing seems to be working out, then you can try restarting your CapCut application by completely closing it, and at the same time you could also restart your phone, and that should be able to fix the issue all at once. Despite of doing all of these procedures, you're still unable to fix it, then try checking for an update. Sometimes not updating your application in a while can be another issue, so go to your Play Store, type in CapCut and check whether the app needs to be installed, updated or not. So these are some of the method or ways you can fix CapCut could not load, try again later issue. That is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.